Hi guys, how's it going? So we are doing this ocean pour resin table today. It's just shy of 4 foot by 3 foot. This is actually my first larger pour this way. I've done maybe a 12 by 12, a 12 by 2, but this table we're doing is the largest one. So we've already got started on this thing. So I'm going to be showing you what we did to get to here. It was a Formica top on here, so we had to pull this off, you know, get all the gummy stuff off. So sit back and enjoy. Like this video if you like it, and if you want to see more content like this, you know, faith-based music, I do some of that. And you can subscribe down below and turn on bell notifications. And so sit back, relax, and check out what we've done so far. Oh yeah. Woo! Alright guys, so we are ready to rock and roll with the resin. So I'm going to mix all this up, going to show you with here. Got some Artist Loft colors. This acrylic works great in resin. So we're using ultramarine blue, aqua green, metallic cobalt blue, and turquoise. And then that's for the ocean, and you know, we'll have some white in there for the waves. This is some opaque pigment, got it from Hobby Lobby. And then over here, we're going to go with all these different shades of yellows, browns, and gold to kind of get some of that sand look. So stay tuned, and we will mix this thing up. One more quick note, if you guys are doing this from home, make sure you got all your materials close by. Make sure you have the plan that you want to do in your mind or written down, whatever you got to do, because this stuff's going to start setting up in about 40 minutes. So you want to hurry and get the design you want. So yeah, have your heat gun handy, have your torch, have your pigments, just have everything all dialed out, so as soon as those two parts start mixing, you're ready to go. Alright guys, so we're done with the pour. It was really nerve-wracking for me, honestly, because I'm taking, oh, nice little mask line right there, huh? Anyway, so I'm taking, you know, $60 worth of material and pouring it on here, and I got 45 minutes to make sure it's right. I love how it looks, but yeah, it was stressful. But tell me what you guys think. So this gal wanted the sand color in there, so we got these little deals, might look like islands or something. We got this nice foam, and actually what I did is I pushed the white over the other colors. I don't know if you guys saw that on the time lapse, and then I just hit it with some 91 proof isopropanol, and what that does is it opens up the layer of white to what's underneath, and so it gives it that nice look there, like waves. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. All the music on this track is originally done by myself. You think about that as well. Thank you guys. Have a great day.